just a little real quick rundown real quick with my twin right here. So this is a car Alex purchased, and you know, it's not something we built. We literally put the wheels on it, put gas in it, made sure the motor was running good and the transmission was shifting right.
And we literally been trying to dial in the carburetor and
the timing and stuff.
Yeah, because we don't do old school stuff. So the car been in the Bay Area last couple weeks with our boy Tian, who towed it to get the motor dialed in. The motor's fucking finally dialed in, and this happened. Now James is gonna talk about it.
So we took it out of town, literally sat in the parking lot for the first day and a half. He went to go get it washed, and boom, we come to find out cotter pins on both lower control arms for the ball joints are non-existent, and this one just so happened to have enough force to rip the castle nut right off of the ball joint, and it fell on the rim. We fixed it like 3 times at the car wash, trying to get it on the trailer. Finally said fuck it, put it on the dolly, and yanked it onto someone else's trailer. Fixed it with a Craftsman piece, and knocked the acrylic off, stuck it in the cotter pin hole, and got it on our trailer. Got it home safe. Nobody got hurt.
We weren't even driving the car, which actually worked out. That the car wash people were making a 90-degree right to be able to go dry it off, and it fell on. So luckily, this could have been catastrophic if one of us were driving it. Grim drove it the night before the dinner, so it could have happened. I what do you think I drove it? 1,000 feet maybe?
Probably say 600.
I wouldn't even say it. I know I didn't go 1,000 feet, so it happened. Literally, it couldn't have happened at a better time. It's shitty it happened, but no one was in it. No one got hurt. It's an easy fix. We have all UMI suspension coming to the car anyway. We'll get it fixed and get the fender done with Jay. And my new Forgiatos are here, so you'll see it in a minute.
Cool.
Oh, I'm gonna say shit right there. Man, I ordered these Forgiatos the day we got the Chevelle, and they came in. They're supposed to be here before Huntington. Supposed to be on the 11th. They got lost, and then they showed up yesterday. So the Chevelle got fucked up and out there, and we want to go get this mounted and cleaned up, and then we're gonna get the Chevelle fixed this week, and hopefully we're sitting on the Chevelle by this weekend.
Couldn't really do much of a walk around for you guys because still messing with this broken leg. Another reason why it's been so dead on the channel lately. Getting back to it as much as I can. So today it's January. Let's see. Today is January 17th. So this is going on week 2 of the Chevelle build. We're at the paint shop right now. They already got it torn down. I'll give you some clips right now to see, to show you what we've got going on so far. First day on it, and they've got most of this whole build torn down. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll be coming here with Alex and give you more of a breakdown on what's going on the build. I just wanted to come here, get out of the house, and show you guys what's going on. So catch you guys in a bit. Alright, so we are back day 2 to check in on the Chevelle. Put the crutches down. And we got layers. God damn, that's crazy.
They put a splash panel down here, you can see on the inside. They just
yeah, that's what you were talking about yesterday. That is a layer of Bondo right there. This whole panel. Alex is about to get sick over this. Oh, look at that. 7-day full teardown.
Man, it's embarrassing filming this shit outside. What do you think? What's fucked?
I'm hoping that the roof panel's good. Everything else is getting replaced. You can see what it is. I mean, it's fucking touched. You can see on inside there. I just cut this across and put a new piece on. So I need to get new real wells. Quarter skins. Deck lid is shot. Look at this. It's all bubbled up. I don't know why the fuck Mustang Fords do this. I don't know why somebody put a rubber on it. But yeah, this is
Epoxiated?
no, it's just a rubber. The Chevy's the rubber goes in here, so at some point somebody put a rubber on it. Stupid, but I can't do nothing with that.
Okay.
You've seen the fenders.
Yeah.
Quarters are obviously.
God damn.
And if you feel under.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, it was a full.
Dude, that's a whole fucking finger.
So feel in here. See how the inner wheel wells is missing? It's all
Yeah.
rusted out.
Oh my god.
I'll strip that one down so that's where we're at on it. We're doing firewall. Obviously, you see all that shit on the firewall.
When is it going inside?
Strip. He just pulled the bed out. He's going in this afternoon.
Okay.
We're gonna grind it out here with the mess,
Yeah.
and then it goes in. They worked all day yesterday and most of the day today. So
I think it's my trailer, huh?
I'll wash it.
I'm fucking talking shit. Yeah, this
so
is.
we're gonna grid it all.
Look, what do you think? Do you think it was a 4-speed car and they made it auto? Look at that shit, that tunnel.
I don't know. That's some garage backyard shit that they just
Fucking
hacked
ridiculous.
in. I think they put stops. I think that's a heater vent. You know, like shit you put on your AC on the top of your house.
Yeah. And they just
think that's what they
molded
cut
it.
it.
Oh yeah.
Just molded it.
And
We
then
don't. Why the fuck did they do that? Like we don't.
I think that's like a coffee can or something. They fucking glued in there.
Fucking old Folgers can half of it. This looks like shit.
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Fucking A. I can't believe I put Forgiatos on this. The wheels is worth more than fucking the metal.
So that right there, you want me just to plate that back in? A big hole.
Yeah. What was that? Maybe for an oil pan? Maybe they had a. I think this might have been. They just hacked it to a race car. Maybe.
The frame's gonna have to go get sandblasted. I'm gonna handle the body myself here. The frame's gonna have to go out and get sandblasted because it's rough.
I mean, it is what it is. Fucking sucks.
No. But it's still a 70 shot.
Yeah, no. And my biggest thing is I'm not mad because it didn't. I mean, it sucks. So Grim just asked Jay. Well, ask him, Grim.
So I was looking at this for how much of a hack job it looks like. I was asking Jay, does he cut all of this out and pretty much start from scratch on, you know, doing a shaved firewall? So what'd you say, Jay?
Pretty much, yeah. They make pieces that you can buy, but the thickness of the metal is really thin. And I had bad luck at the beginning of doing all these, so we cut this all out. These right here we got to keep because that's a fender mount spot. But we actually take a plasma cutter, we cut out our own piece out of thicker mill steel, and then it's just all about
And then Christian
getting in
comes
there.
up and picks the holes to keep.
Yeah,
Yep.
Christian will tell us what holes run wiring, whatever, and our goal is to make it as smooth as possible. The hardest part is coming in here when we get that tunnel. Sometimes we gotta make our own little pieces in there to go to the flat firewall down into the tunnel.
Like the Donkey Christian's car, you did that.
Yeah, we did all that.
You cut the firewall, you made the firewall, and then Christian just picked the holes.
Yep.
Yeah.
That would be interesting to see, like, this finally done, because this looks like hell.
Yeah, there's no way we could put a motor in this shit.
Hell no.
None. And honestly, if we would have known all this shit, well, we didn't know this till the motor was pulled.
Yeah.
I would have just put wheels on it and sold it. You know what I mean? But I mean, we're gonna earn our fucking money. We're gonna cost some money, but we're gonna earn our fucking our money. This is gonna show what we really do. You know what I mean?
it'll definitely be one for the books.
Well,
Look at this shit.
look at it. They just pop riveted shit everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
They just like pop riveted wherever they needed. They just pop riveted shit on. And then back here, you want to check this out, bro? Where they did. The reason why they got so much Bondo in here is underneath here, it's all rusted out. So what they did was they put a new quarter panel, but they only did from here down. So what they did was they just pop riveted it on and then Bondoed over the top of it.
Jesus.
You can see inside where it's spliced in.
Yeah, this whole bottom part
Yeah.
where it's just laid in there almost.
Yeah.
Well, pretty much is laid in there.
It's literally a frame off now.
Yeah.
And it has to be. I'm not gonna make it in April.
Well, all the guys were gonna get on it.
No, I get it. Yeah, whatever you want me to get. I got the tranny in the back in the trunk.
I think he's got.
Do you want to hold the tranny to see how big it is?
Nah.
It's a 6L90. I got the ZL1 Camaro, the big one. It's pretty fucking big.
Austin will have that all.
Yeah,
figured
sure.
out.
Man, this is a
I got
shit
all your
show.
interior in there if you want to take it.
Not today. I will though.
Okay, it's all in the showroom in there.
Yep, I will.
All this stuff out here, I'm gonna take what I need, and then the rest of it will either go to you or I put it upstairs. So
What?
it's gonna get dusty.
Are you still coming down?
Today?
Well, yeah, no, not today, but like
Yeah,
you still
yeah.
coming down the next few days?
Yeah.
Why don't you bring the interior, and then I'll give you the hood. I got the hood.
Yeah.
Only thing I didn't get was I got every fucking
I'm
piece
gonna
but
go
the
call this guy
flapper.
right now on that frame machine, so I can score that frame machine. That's huge.
Mhm.
I've been waiting for one of those for 2 years to come up for sale.
Call him right now. I got a couple grand on me.
Cool.
Where are you going to? So, do you have an account with them? That's why I got my fucking hood.
Yeah, I know those guys. I don't.
Okay, so why don't you tell me when you're gonna go, and I'll meet you over there. And then fucking we'll figure it out. You know what I mean? Thanks. Later.